Hello, everyone there. Good morning, wherever you are viewing us. This is Katsina State Senior Secondary Schools Online Connect a program which is powered by Exponential Computers. This is second week of English language, lesson for SS1, prepared by Amin Suleiman. Let's look at the topic of today, which is antonyms. I know you are aware of antonyms. So, what is antonyms? Before we proceed, we look at antonyms. Think of it. Let's forge ahead. The contents. The content we are going to cover today, we are going to look at the definition of antonyms, the direct opposite of the antonyms. Antonyms word. These are what we are going to cover today. So we says an antonym is a word or a type of word that has the opposite meaning to another word. For example, an antonym for good is what? Bad. And an antonym for hot is cold. Antonyms for useful is descriptive writing, as they allow us to express things in powerful, impactful ways. So looking at it, antonyms, we can say that a words that are opposite. Kalman da ke da mai kishiyarta. When you say good, you say bad. You see, good, things are good, fine. Things are what? Bad. So the direct opposite to it is what we refer to as antonyms. Are we clear? Yes. All right. Let's look at what are the direct opposite words. Once you say direct, when you say black, what is the opposite of black? I think you can say white. Are we there? Yes, we are there. So you see, we said we have happy. Happy. The opposite of happy is sad. Are you happy? Yes, I'm happy. I'm not sad. Are we clear? Above. Above. I keep the book above the table, on top of the table. You see? Above the ground level. You see? So when you say above, direct opposite to it is below. Below. Once you say absence, absence. If I call your name or your form master call your name, Abubakar, if you are not there, the rest of the members will say he is absent. If you are present in call, you will say you are present. So you see, absence means you are not there, present means you are there. Are we clear? Then abundance. Abundance. Things are efficient, are enough. You see, that is what we refer to as what? Abundance. Then things are abundance. Then if there is need for that thing, we call it what? Lack. Lack of so things. So we see that lack is direct opposite to abundance. Accept. Please accept my congratulations. You see? Accept my congratulations as you celebrate your birthday. But failure to accept the congratulation, that means you what? You refuse. So accept is directly opposite to refuse. Then accidental. Accidental. The event happened accidentally. He accidentally missed step. You see, he accidentally missed his step. Then, opposite to accidental, we have intentional. Intentional. You do things deliberately. Intentional. Things come without knowing. That is what we refer to as what? Accidental. You are active. Once we say you are active, it means you are what? You are enough in struggle. You struggle much. You respond to. You act very well. That is what it refers to what? Active. If you are not active, then on the other hand, we call you lazy boy, lazy student. Yes. Then in mathematics class, you have add. When you say add, we mean that if you say 2 plus 2, add 2 into the 2, or add 2 balls into that basket. Then you say subtract the 2 balls away from the basket. You see, that means you take away the balls. Are we there? All right. We have what is referred to as, yes, my people, students. Now we are going to look at the use of antonyms in a sentence. What are the uses of antonyms in a given sentence? Here we says that although it was hot outside, the temperature inside of my apartment was cold from running the air conditioner all day. Although it was hot outside, the temperature inside of my apartment was cold from running the air conditioner all day. You see, when you said although it was hot outside, you know, the outside of your apartment, outside of your building, outside of where you stay is what? Cold, hot. The temperature inside of my apartment, that is the temperature of my room, or the temperature of your room, the temperature of your house was cold. You see, we have direct antonyms because outside is hot, inside is what? Cold, from running the air conditioner all day. Are we there? We see the two statements there. We use them as antonyms to each other. The first one and the second one. Are we there? Then the third one, the second example, we says the coffee shop. The coffee shop is too noisy. Maybe people are too much there. People stay in the coffee shop because they have much interest there. Then I personally, I prefer to study in a quiet place. So if you see the two things. I don't want to stay the coffee shop because it is too noisy. There are people there much. Then I prefer to study in a quiet place. I can study anywhere if it is quiet, but I don't want noisy area. These are the two direct opposite antonyms. Then in its early history, the 4th of July holiday divided Americans because of differences in political parties. Now the holiday unites Americans in pride of their country. You see, they are divided on so date, which is 4th of July, but on this very particular holiday, they are what? United. So we are using opposite of two sentences. Two sentences joined together, one in the indirect, or one is direct opposite to one another. Are we clear? It is very important. Good. Thank you for listening. This is where we come to the end of this lesson. I will give you assignment. Now you write words that are direct opposites, at least 20 words. Go to assignment section there, write your words or pronounce your words. Thank you very much. I remain Aminu Suleiman Ndaki.